Hello students, so welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to study the internal structure of leaf, both dicot and monocot leaf. So see, first of all let us discuss about dicot leaf. Dicot leaf means they are present in the dicot plant and they are having dorsiventral surface, that is why this leaf is known as dorsiventral leaf. Means it is having two surface, dorsal surface and ventral surface, that is why it is known as bifacial leaf. Now they are having two epidermis. Upper epidermis, right now I'm drawing, this is your upper epidermis and this is lower epidermis. So they are having two epidermis, upper and lower epidermis, and they are covered by the cuticle. Okay, so both the epidermis are covered by cuticle. So this is thick cuticle which is present on both the epidermis, upper and lower. Now see one thing, lower epidermis. I'll just write it, try to understand. This is lower epidermis. So lower epidermis is also known as abaxial surface. It is known as abaxial surface. Okay, and it is also known as dorsal surface. And this is upper epidermis. So this is upper epidermis, which is known as adaxial. Upper epidermis is known as adaxial and it is also known as ventral surface. Is it clear? I'll give one learning tips here. Try to understand one learning tips is, you see I'm writing it here, check carefully my B-A-D-L-O. This is an Hindi term, badlo. It is badlo. So see this AB means abaxial, D means dorsal, and LO word means lower. Once you learn, second you can make it. So your lower epidermis is your also known as dorsal epidermis, which is abaxial side. You have to just remember in case of the animal kingdom, your dorsal is upper, but here dorsal is lower. Clear, beta? Then this is your vascular bundle which is present in the center, with the phloem facing towards the lower epidermis and xylem is facing the upper epidermis. And in which case, xylem, if you see I'm drawing it this way, try to understand, metaxylem is facing the lower epidermis and protoxylem is facing the upper epidermis. And the vascular bundles will be conjoined, collateral and closed because there is no cambium present. And they are surrounded by bundle sheet. This is bundle sheet, which can be collenchymatous or it can be chlorenchymatous. Means the cells are living. Okay, the cells are living. They can contain the chlorenchyma, means they can contain chloroplast. So this is bundle sheet extension. It's a diagrammatic only, just to make the student learn. So this is bundle sheet extension, which consists of parenchymatous cells, which can be either collenchymatous in nature, means they have little bit deposition at the corner of hemicellulose and pectin, or they are having chlorenchyma. Now in between this area, between the two epidermis, these are your mesophyll cells, which are differentiate as palisade parenchyma. Right now I'm drawing these long cells are known as palisade parenchyma. And they are the one which are actually responsible for photosynthesis. Palisade parenchyma will not have much intracellular spaces, will be having very less intracellular spaces, and they are responsible for photosynthesis. This is having very large intracellular spaces, and this is known as spongy parenchyma. Cell are not cylindrical, they are little bit oval in shape, and you will find that they are leaving lot of air spaces, and they are known as spongy parenchyma, responsible for leaving the space. Now see here, in this I am drawing this dot dot, try to understand this is chloroplast. So mesophyll cell will contain an organelle that is known as chloroplast. So chloroplast is an organelle which is responsible for trapping the light energy and convert it into chemical energy. Is it clear? Which will be used to fix carbon dioxide into glucose. So dot dot dot, you can understand this is nothing. This is the chloroplast which I am drawing it. So you can draw it in everything. Is it clear, beta? This is the way we have to cover the diagram. Just 1 minute, give me 1 minute. Let me cover the diagram. Then I have to explain one more concept. So this is your Palisade Parenchyma. Palisade Parenchyma. And this is your spongy parenchyma. And together is known as mesophyll. This is mesophyll. Clear, beta? Up till here concept is clear. Now see one more thing. In the epidermis, obviously stomatas will be present. Now in case of dorsiventral leaf, now just see the diagram carefully. In the lower epidermis, see here, you are having more stomatas. So stomatas are more on the lower epidermis as compared to the upper epidermis in case of dicot leaf. And if you see in the stomatas, the guard cells are of bean shaped. Guard cells are bean shaped. So I think so dicot leaf structure is clear to you. Now let me discuss the structure of the monocot leaf. Now monocot leaves are also known as isobilateral leaf because both sides are equal. Na? Equal means iso, both side, the bilateral. Isobilateral leaf, or you can say it is unifacial leaf. Same concept here, you will find upper epidermis. Okay. And same you will find down lower epidermis. And in upper and lower epidermis, you are finding they are having the guard cells. Okay. Guard cells will be there. But the guard cells will be, just see one thing, just give me 1 minute. An equal number will be there. In case of the dicot leaf, if you remember, more were present on the lower epidermis as compared to the upper epidermis. But in case of the monocot leaf, they will be equal number. Equal number means, here suppose I am drawing two. These are the dumbbell shaped guard cells, okay? Dumbbell shaped guard cells are present if suppose I am drawing two stomatas on the upper epidermis. Same two stomatas will be present on the lower epidermis. Only differences with respect to the guard cells. In dicot leaf, the guard cells were of bean shape, but here they are of dumbbell shape. And they are covered with the cuticle. This is the cuticle which is present on the epidermis. And in between, we have to draw the vascular bundle. Just like in the dicot leaf, we have done the work. So this is your vascular bundle will be present in the center, with the phloem facing the lower epidermis and xylem is facing the upper epidermis. And this is the bundle sheet. The bundle sheet is again can be chlorenchymatous, but bundle sheet extension is sclerenchymatous. Bundle sheet extension is sclerenchymatous. Clear, beta? Here the bundle sheet extension can be sclerenchymatous to give the support to the leaf. I am drawing double wall. You know sclerenchyma is dead and dead because of lignin, and as a result it will be double wall. Now here, you will not use word palisade or spongy, you will say only mesophyll cells are present here. Is it clear? We have to say in the center or here only mesophyll cells are present. So only mesophyll cells you will use the word, and they will be containing the chloroplast. No differentiation into the palisade or spongy parenchyma. And we have to draw the chloroplast and everything. This much you know very well, in the cell organelle which is responsible, that is known as chloroplast. The chloroplast is an organelle which is responsible for doing photosynthesis. So I'm not drawing anything. You have to just imagine this dot dot is nothing. This is the chloroplast in the cell which I'm drawing it. And this layer is known as mesophyll only. We will not say palisade or spongy. But this is your upper epidermis. And this is your lower epidermis, which is covered by cuticle on both the sides. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Just few extra points are there with respect to leaf. Let me give you here only. Size of vascular bundle will depend on the size of vein. It depends on the size of vein. Is it clear? Then if you see bundle sheet is known as panicoid. It is known as panicoid when it is single layer. And it is known as fasticoid when it is double layer. Then if you see carefully, the leaves of C4 plant, in them the bundle sheet is chlorenchymatous. And in grasses, epidermal cells have bulliform cells or motor cells. So they are having bulliform cells or motor cells. These are the cells, bulliform cells or motor cells, these are the cells when they absorb the moisture, means when they are turgid, then the leaf surface will be exposed. So on turgidity, when they are turgid, leaf surface is exposed. And when they are flaccid, the leaf surface, they curl inward the leaf. In flaccid condition, they curl inward. And as a result, you will say the reduced leaf surface. Is it clear? These are the few additional points with respect to the leaf anatomy. So I hope this much topic is clear to you. Thanks for watching.